time. Been watching the Prince stuff and still heartbroken. Can't believe he's gone. It's like when Michael Jackson died. The whole world shut down, and it's so bad that MTV started playing videos again. Thank God, because I got tired of them old retarded shows they show on MTV. When you whisper and give me a sign, give me a kiss before you tell me goodbye. Don't you take it so hard now, and please don't take it so bad. I should be thinking of you and the times we had, baby, and don't you cry tonight. Please remember that I never lied. Oh, and please remember how I felt inside. Now, Shawty, you gotta make it your own way, but you'll be alright now, sugar. You'll feel better tomorrow, 'cause the money lies now, baby. Do not run from me, Mr. Rabbit. No. Look at my supper tonight, yummy. Oh gosh, it's so amazing. I love it. Why do Disney movies always hit a nerve? I watched The Jungle Book, and it hit a nerve. Hey, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Sanker's Time, Sanker's Channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Tomorrow's gonna be something special. I'm not telling you. Thanks for watching.